back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're new, feel welcome. Please subscribe, like, and let me know what you think on the comments. Today's topic is about the mistake that new moms make. First, don't buy too much newborn clothes. Some babies are born when they're big. They don't even fit on those newborn clothes, and in 2 weeks or 3 weeks they don't even fit anymore anyway. On the clothes don't fit on the babies anymore. So if you have someone who can give you the clothes they use on their babies, you can just take them, because anyway they will have to grow them so quickly, rather than buying. But you can buy one for the hospital. The newborn diapers, just buy around 2 packets or 3 packets. You rather buy more when they end. And if your friends are coming to visit and they ask you what size of diapers to bring you, just tell them number 3 and above, unless they don't ask you. Number 2, don't listen to everyone's advice. As a mother, your instincts are right. You know when your child is not feeling good. You know what is best for your child. People will come up with all this kind of different advice. Or your child is not supposed to sleep at this time. You're supposed to feed your child at this time. This is not how you breastfeed your child. Your child is supposed to be sitting down by now. People will come with all kind of advices. Take the advice that you think will help you as a mother. Sometimes as a first-time mother you need help, but there's some advices that don't make sense. Anyway, you know what is good for your child. Take the ones that you feel like can help you. The rest, just let them be. Listen to them doesn't mean that you have to take it. The third thing is, don't compare your child to other children. Children's development is different. Some kids walk early, others walk late. Some talk within 10 months, others take even 4 years to even talk. Some kids don't even crawl, they just stand and walk. Like my daughter, she didn't crawl, she just stood and walked. Some kids start walking at 7 months, others take a year to walk. So don't compare your child to other children. Children development is different. Although people will start asking you, oh, your child is not crawling, how comes? My child is the same month as yours and mine is already doing this. Don't feel guilty at all. You're not doing anything wrong. If you feel like something is not right with your child, go to your child's doctor and ask your doctor if something is wrong. Stop listening to these other little doctors that come to your house that don't even know what they're talking about. You're the mother, you're doing a good job. You know what is not right and what is right for your child.